So I've actually designed, right, email signature, which can be used in Gmail application or Outlook. But today I'm just going to show you that you'll be able to actually edit anything here, and it's accessible in a Word document, especially Microsoft Word here. So what I'm going to do is select everything, right, or just come here on this table with the design. Then I go where it says copy. Then I'm going to open up my Gmail application, and this is how we do it to enter Gmail. So you go where it says settings, then you click where it says see all settings, and then if you scroll down, right, you're gonna see where it says signature, right? So there's no signature here, so you click where it says create new, then you name it maybe 01, then you click create. After doing so, right, in this box, that's where you come and say Control V to paste the email signature which you've actually done earlier. Then what do I do next? I go where it says signature defaults. Then I click here and I choose the one which you've just created, and I do the same here, right? Then I go here and click save, right? So whenever I'm actually composing an email, right, let's say if I click compose, it's going to actually show the email signature below. And mind you, this is selectable and clickable, right? Then you can actually send to maybe an email of choice. I'm going to send it to myself. Then I'm going to say 012. Okay, let's say, for example, let's say test email. Oh, come on, sorry. Email, right? Then I'm going to paste the text which I want to paste here. Okay, just above, then I click insert. Then maybe I can actually say what one is, right? Then I'm going to actually send, and our email is going to be received, and we're just going to click on it, and now you see in our email signature just arrived to the person's email. Even on the phone, it will just look about, okay, I'm just going to show you on the phone. On the phone, it's also actually responsive. You see the buttons work, although this website is just a dummy website, so it's not going to be working. And the good thing is that when you go where it says compose email, right, even on your mobile phone, like click compose, you'll be able to actually use that email signature as long as you first of all saved it on the computer browser, and automatically it connects together with the mobile phone application, and voila, you've got your email signature. So you can actually get the email signature on my website for a certain fee, or you can just actually recreate it. It will be easy. It's just actually following, just creating tables. Well, thank you for watching. Bye for now.